Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use Overdub voice feature in Descript. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So using the Descript Overdub feature involves two main steps. First, setting up your custom AI voice or selecting a stock voice. And second, generating the audio in your project. So all you gotta do is simply get signed up into your account, and after this you need to set up an overdub voice. You need to open the Descript, navigate to the voices, select the option to create a new speaker, and provide the consent to clone your voice and follow the prompts required. After this, you can record a voice sample and submit the training data as well. So if you're using a stock voice, then you can simply assign a speaker label. You can choose from Descript's available stock AI voices like Ethan, Nancy, or Carla, or you can also use the overdub voice in a project as well. So these are the methods you can use overdub voice feature in Descript. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.